Hey guys, sorry for the low quality. It's not like I'm using this on iPhone or anything. Ha ha ha, wink wink. But hopefully this will get me back on YouTube stuff. So I'm starting a new project. So the railroad that I was building, the model railroad I was building, I'm gonna rip it apart and rebuild it. So I'm gonna actually try to make the video on this at least every day where I drink a Pepsi Nitro and I go to work on this thing. So currently what I'm doing is that so let me grab L stool. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move because I'm using Vatron stuff. Ha ha ha. My dad thought it was a good idea to give me Flex Track. I'm just a beginner, by the way. This is pure another. Yeah, I can't. No place. This is pure another no place. Anyways, I want to go turn off my heater, but I don't know. English is hard. You guys know that? The English language is one of the hardest languages to learn in the world. When people who speak it have difficulties with the language. Okay. So now, what I'm gonna do, basically, I'm gonna move this back to there, onto that wall. Move that, because this is sort of like a switching yard thing. Move that here and have the yard be here. Because my bed's right under me, and then every morning I get up, turn this on. I have Jeff Bezos' little slave robot with me. So then, basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna extend, and where all this stuff is, I'm moving it to this wall, and yeah, very much fun. I should get something to hold up this while I do this stuff. There's something. I'm gonna lay it down. Yep, I could get it. Hooray! I got something. This is on its full capability. Let's see if I can scratch me up. Yeah. Hey, what do you know? I did it. Close you off again. I'll set you up like right. Ow, that hurt. And doesn't just hurt my phone. You guys' ears also hurts me. That works out. That you should not be able to see my face. At least I hope you should not. And if you've seen my face in any other YouTube video I have, please know. I don't know if you guys can even hear me from where I'm going. So, because I don't know if my AirPods are working. Yippee-ki-yay. Hello, if you can see me. So as you can see, Vatron, Easy Track, Flex Track, no more. I have a bunch of characters over here that was once at a station that was right here. I will unlive them, and then, yeah. These are model railroad figures. Please help if you're a professional model railroader. Help me. I have no idea what I'm doing. If I've seen your videos and you comment down below, hey, watch my video on this tip, I've probably seen it. Didn't help me. Because guess what? I don't have funding from my parents. Ha ha ha. And I don't live in my own house yet. Ha 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 ha. Because I'm just entering high school. Throwing Shrek on the ground. This is your new entertainment telephone pole. I'm gonna go check on you guys to see what you're seeing as of current. You saw that I removed that. I will slightly move it. You can see me remove more stuff. Hello, if you can see my face. If you recognize me, well, now, stop. Get some help. And Heist, if you're watching this, yeah. This is what I do to myself. You guys will only get that if you go in comments and certain video a certain YouTuber uploaded, which I may or may not have said their name. So check them out. They are epic and they have a certain game that I like to play. But my computer is unfortunately dog water and trash on everything that uses Source or has Unreal Engine. So my game is on lowest quality. Because memory, because my computer, which is probably like 15 or 16 years old, will explode. I'm literally leaning on a chair. Because I could get a step ladder from my garage. Unfortunately, I don't care. I've got these pieces on this side of the layout. My only problem is now, I need to remove this piece. That piece of that Schmidt Easy Track. More pain. Move engine. 1. Yes, and if you hear them dropping on the ground, just know that and if you watch this video and you're getting into model railroading, Bachelor Easy Track and I'm assuming it's Atlas FlexTrack do not mix well. Never use them in a pair. We have achieved the piece I have needed. I just realized that this was sideways. Go up. Sorry, everyone. I don't know how long until. I just realized that now. So everyone that has just, I figured out my screen was to the side. So sorry for giving you guys what does this kid know what he's doing? And if you're even still here, thank you for staying with me. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I have historian in the name, and I know stuff about trains, but I'm going into high school, so I don't know everything. So don't ask me any questions on certain railroads, especially narrow gauge ones that I'm biased towards. You will only get this joke if you are the YouTuber I aforementioned about 6 or 7 minutes ago. I will not be mentioning again for the rest of this time due to this video is probably more interesting than this. And chances are in about a minute. Never mind. Okay, if this ends, see ya, goodbye. Video is ending because YouTube is bullied to young YouTubers like me.